hanger, hanger, hanger. She hung her coat on a wooden hanger. House plant, house plant, house plant. She waters her house plants every morning. Lamp, lamp, lamp. She turned on the lamp to read a book at night. Lampshade, lampshade, lampshade. The lampshade softens the bright light in the room. Light switch, light switch, light switch. He flipped the light switch to turn on the ceiling light. Mantelpiece, mantelpiece, mantelpiece. She placed family photos on the mantelpiece above the fireplace. Mirror, mirror, mirror. She checked her appearance in the mirror before leaving. Occasional table, occasional table, occasional table. She placed a vase on the occasional table next to the sofa. Ornament, ornament, ornament. The glass ornament on the shelf is very delicate. Ottoman, ottoman, ottoman. She rested her feet on the ottoman while watching TV. Painting, painting, painting. A beautiful painting of a sunset hangs on the wall. Piano, piano, piano. She practices playing the piano every evening. Picture, picture, picture. There is a picture of a mountain landscape above the sofa. Plug, plug, plug. He inserted the plug into the socket to turn on the TV. Plug socket. Plug socket. Plug socket. Make sure the plug socket is working before using the device. Poster, poster, poster. She hung a movie poster on her bedroom wall. Pottery, pottery, pottery. She collects handmade pottery from different countries. Radiator, radiator, radiator. The radiator keeps the house warm during winter. Radio, radio, radio. He listens to the news on the radio every morning. Record player, record player, record player. My grandfather still enjoys playing vinyl records on his record player. Remote control, remote control, remote control. She used the remote control to change the TV channel. Recliner, recliner, recliner. He relaxed in his recliner after a long day at work. Rug, rug, rug. A soft rug lies in front of the fireplace. Sofa, sofa, sofa. They bought a new sofa for the living room. Sound system, sound system, sound system. They installed a new sound system in the living room. Speaker, speaker, speaker. The music was playing loudly through the speakers. Statue, statue, statue. A beautiful statue of a lion stands in the garden. Step, step, step. Be careful when walking down the steps. Stereo system, stereo system, stereo system. He enjoys listening to music on his stereo system. Stool, stool, stool. She sat on a stool while cooking in the kitchen. Table lamp, table lamp, table lamp. She turned on the table lamp to read a book. Tablecloth, tablecloth, tablecloth. She spread a white tablecloth over the dining table. Tea set, tea set, tea set. She received a beautiful tea set as a gift. Telephone, telephone, telephone. She picked up the telephone to call her friend. Television, television, television. They watched a movie on the television last night. Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. She used a vacuum cleaner to clean the carpet.